what I was going to say, I just forgot applying mascara, you guys. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look right here using minimum makeup products. Now I said minimum here, it means like we are using like only 6 products in this video to create this makeup look. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mannat and I hope you are enjoying till now, and if so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So if I feel I'm doing a makeup look using minimum makeup products, what I would prefer is to use a concealer. This is the Maybelline concealer right here, and this is in the shade I think 10. Instead of this Maybelline concealer, I'm going to use Lakme Perfectly Liquid Foundation. This Maybelline concealer, I'm so sorry, I finished it. Like literally there is nothing left inside it, so I don't know. I don't have any other option, right? That will be enough for me. I'm going to apply it on the usual areas. So I'm also applying it on the areas where I feel like I'm having some spots. I'm going to apply it on those areas as well. After applying the foundation on those areas, I'm going to like go all over my face with my beauty blender. I forgot to mention that I already primed my face before applying the foundation, and I actually missed that point. So moving on, the next thing is to set your face. So for setting my face, I'm actually going to use this Maybelline New York Compact. Setting the areas where I need to set. My skin type is oily, so I have to keep this thing in mind that I really need to set my face well, like really well. I know it looks a little bit white right now, but after we have completed the whole look, it will look like much better than this. Let's move on to the next product. That is going to be the star of this makeup look, and this is the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. If it is an eyeshadow palette, we are going to do the base makeup as well using this kit. So I'm going to use this shade, like a brown shade over here, to contour my face. You know, it's about playing smart. You can do like a lot of things using lesser products, like, you know what I mean. So I hope you are getting the things in a clear way. I'm shooting in my phone, and that's the only thing I am having right now, so I don't really have an option but to shoot in the phone. But you know what, I can't stop making videos because of that, because I really love doing this. Okay, so now we have done contouring our face, so now we will move on to the blush, this shade over here, and use it as a blusher. Okay, so now we have done our base almost. I'm going to move straight on my eyebrows. Okay, so this is the shade, the darkest shade in this palette, from which I'm going to fill my brows. Oh, okay, I have done my brows as well. So now I'm going to move straight on my eye makeup. I'm going for this shade over here as my transition shade. So I'm going to take this shimmer shade over here on my finger, and I'm going to apply it on the rest of my eyelid. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Revlon eyeliner right here, and I'm quickly going to draw a wing. Okay, so I'm bad at pulling off a wing eyeliner like on camera, so I'm going to do this thing off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm done with my eyeliner. So now I'm going to complete the rest of my base which was left. Okay, so this is the highlighter shade over here, which I'm going to use as my highlighter. And see this, guys. Look at that. So now we are left with a lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this half and half double use lipstick. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with my lipstick as well. Wait a second, I just forgot applying mascara, you guys. So here I'm taking Color Essence waterproof mascara over here. Okay, so we are done with mascara as well, and we are done with the makeup look. Like, it was a real jugadu video, you guys, but you know, I'm glad. Like, it's about using things in multiple ways. And yeah, that's all from my side, and I will see you next time in the next video. Till then, bye.